Hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at everything impacting the Sydney property market this week. Well, ANZ are the first of the four major banks to break ranks and suggest that there will be no cash rate cut in 2024. They were previously forecasting that cash rate cut would occur in November. They've now pushed that out into February in 2025. CBA, who are our nation's largest lender, were still suggesting that there was going to be 3 cash rate cuts this year, bringing it down to 3.6%. So they seem to be wildly out on that forecast. And we're also doubling down, suggesting that cash rate cuts would continue well into 2025, bringing it down to 2.85% by the end of next year. So we'll have to see if that plays out. Now, as it stands, the RBA is meeting next week, and investors and traders are expecting the cash rate to remain on hold at 4.35%, which is still the highest cash rate Australia has seen since 2011. Now, sticking with forecasting, Westpac have also just readjusted their house price forecast for Sydney, bringing it back from 6% down to 5%, so not a major change. That's also aligned with where CBA are forecasting house price growth for 2024. It's also where the CoreLogic data is tracking as well. Now, if this does in fact unfold, Sydney property prices by the end of this year will be 2.3% higher than the previous record peak that was achieved in April 2022. Also, last weekend, it was the long weekend, and as a result, there were fewer properties that went under the hammer. In fact, 35% fewer homes than the previous weekend. So 771 properties produced an overall clearance rate below 50%. That's right, it came through at 49.3%, which is the weakest auction clearance rate Sydney has recorded through the course of this year. And it probably suggests to any sellers looking into the future that the long weekend is probably a good weekend to avoid auctioning your property. That said, as we move deeper into winter, we are listing some of the most amazing homes that I've seen in any winter period over the last several years, and our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about this weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.